Hello everyone, I'm Changhyun Lee and I did MIP this semester under Professor Young Kim's direction. My project is prediction of mechanical property of steel bar after temporal process based on ANN approach. Here are the content. I'm gonna explain first about background of research. Steel bar is produced through melting, casting, rolling, and temporal process. So temporal process is one of the steel bar making processes which pour water onto hot steel bar so that it cools down. This cooling process cools down the steel bar outer part rapidly, which causes phase transformation into martensite, inner part into ferrite and pearlite. This phase transformation is useful for making high strength, high ductility steel bar without adding other chemicals. The problem is when making the steel bar, there is mechanical property checking, testing process, which takes about 30 to 60 minutes. So we want to build mechanical property prediction model using process data to save money and time. We will use the artificial neural network model because it can solve complex nonlinear problems. And here it is how our research has done. Using temporal process data, first I chose one of ANN structure, changing its node and hidden layers number. Then chose the optimal batch size and epoch at that structure. And ANN input is composed of chemical composition of steel bar, diameter, and cooling variables. And ANN output is predicted mechanical property, yield point, tensile strength, and elongation. And here it is result. I have created 20 different models, and here are 4 examples includes optimal models. Model 4 was optimal model, which has 2 hidden layers and 20 nodes each. And optimal batch size was 64 and epoch was 200. And here are evaluation metric of ANN model. Root mean square error and coefficient of determinant and spec-in ratio. Spec-in ratio metric is made by a steel company itself, and these are the values, from a steel company's model result. And here are the result of predicted mechanical property using optimal ANN model. All mechanical properties spec-in ratio metric are better than a steel company's model result. And here is result of optimal ANN model. ANN model is black box which we could not see inside. We could not get exact variable's weight, but we could know its tendency by scoring mean square value. Varying one variable plus minus 10%, then get mean of difference between 2 predicted output. Its intensity means feature importance, and its sign means positive or negative impact. These are the theory on the input variable impacts, which are from other studies. There are main input variables like quenching time, diameter of steel bar, water flow rate, like this. So I'm trying to compare this result with the mean impact values result. Left one is mean impact value of yield point. Right table is top 3 impact features, positively or negatively in theory and mean impact values analysis. Vanadium is found to be positively impact to yield point using mean impact value analysis. And tempering temperature is the most impact features to yield point. And here is result of tensile strength. vanadium is found to be positively impact tensile strength using mean impact analysis. And tempering temperature is the most impact feature to tensile strength. And result of elongation. CEQ is found to be negatively impact elongation using mean impact value analysis. And tempering temperature is the most impact feature to elongation. So in conclusion, I have created a simple A&M model to predict steel bar mechanical properties, which has 2 hidden layers and 20 nodes. And optimal batch size was 64 and effort was 200. And gain more precise results than A steel company's model result. And feature analysis of A&M model was also done. And vanadium was found to be positively impact to yield point and tensile strength. And CEQ was found to be negatively impact to elongation. And tempering temperature was the most impact features of all. And for improvement, we need essential input data T-in and T-cool. T-in affect final yield point and tensile strength under the same cooling control variables. We expect to obtain these variables after sensor installation. With this data, we are expecting to get more improved prediction model. Thank you.